Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Thaw and dry the prawns so the shell holds shape. Cold water thawing is fastest. Once dry, use shears to cut along the back from the head end toward the tail about halfway. This exposes the dark thread. You cut shallow, just through the shell and membrane, so you don't burst the meat. Make sure to work on a stable board and keep a small bowl for discarded shells so the process stays clean and quick. Now you focus on removal. Once the back is open, locate the dark thread. This is the digestive tract. Use the tip of your knife or a toothpick to hook the end near the head and gently pull along the length. If it resists, slide the tool under it and lift slowly. You do this to avoid breaking the vein and leaving fragments. If the vein is stubborn, a gentle rinse under a spray of cold water helps. Make sure the prawn stays cold so texture remains firm. Finish by giving the deveined prawns a quick gentle rinse and patting them dry. This removes any residual grit and keeps seasoning sticking. Once done, store on ice or in the fridge until cooking. If the vein breaks, pause, use fine tweezers or the toothpick to extract remaining bits, or hold the prawn under a light cold stream to flush them out. Make sure not to over-rinse. Finally, sanitize your cutting board and tools to prevent cross-contamination and maintain kitchen safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.